all must be familiar with the Rubik's Cube. But have you ever wondered who invented this worldwide most popular puzzle game? This famous and popular puzzle game, which we still play, is invented by Erno Rubik, a Hungarian inventor, sculptor, and professor of architecture. Erno Rubik was born on 13th July 1944 in Budapest, Hungary. He studied architecture at the Academy of Applied Arts and Design in Budapest, where he later joined the staff to lecture and teach. He is best known for the invention of mechanical puzzles including Rubik's Cube, Rubik's Magic, Rubik's Snake, and Rubik's 360. By accident, Erno Rubik had created what would become the world's best-selling toy. In 1980, the Ideal Toy Corporation bought the toy and changed the name from Magic Cube to Rubik's Cube. The Rubik's Cube, a three-dimensional puzzle that became a worldwide sensation in the early 1980s, was invented by Erno Rubik in 1974. The puzzle is a cube made up of small colored interlocking cubes that can be manipulated by twisting the horizontal and vertical planes. The cube has 6 faces. Each face has 9 squares colored yellow, white, orange, blue, red, and green. Once the cube has been manipulated, getting the parts arranged back to the pure form is not very easy. Erno Rubik made the interior element of the cube cylindrical and then created the 54 colored square exterior. Originally called the Magic Cube, the puzzle got the patent granted in 1977 and was licensed by Rubik in 1980. The Rubik's Cube won the 1980 German Game of the Year, the special award for Best Puzzle. As of January 2009, you would be surprised to know 350 million cubes have been sold worldwide, making it the world's top-selling puzzle game. Till now, all over the world, it's the best-selling toy. If you like this video, do hit a like, share it, and subscribe to my channel.